Hey guys, and here in this video we have 2013 Suzuki SX4 in a hatchback, and in this video I'd like to show you how to remove your front driver's side door panel in order to get to all the other goodies you have there. So first thing we're gonna do, we have to open these two lids. One lid right here, the second lid is right here. Okay, so we open them with a screwdriver or butter knife or a little hook, whatever is comfortable for you and whatever tools you have. Once you have them open, get Phillips screwdriver and remove these both screws. Now when we have our screws out, the next step is the panel is being held by clips around the perimeter, so we're gonna remove the panel. Find the leverage point, there's one nice here, and just pull on it. And it's very simple, and you have to get this thing off also. Here, and we are all set. Very simple, as you can see. Over here we have two more connectors we have to disconnect. Just to remove the connectors. Okay, so I disconnected both connectors, and now our panel is off. Very simple. Now here we can get to the handle, speaker, window, or whatever you have to get to. Okay, so to put back everything together, we have to do the same exact reverse procedure. Connect connectors. And click the panel back in spot. So we want to make sure these clips go back in those holes. Okay. It's tricky to do it with one hand, but once it's good, just clap on it and they go where they belong to. That's it. Next step we're gonna do, so we're gonna put this thing back in. Take two screws and put them back in place here and here. The holes should be aligned. If they are not, then something is wrong. Okay, so you will have to take care of it. Yeah, that's it. Put two screws back in place, close lids, and you are all set. So guys, hope this helps. If it does, press like button. Have a great day. Bye.